Hey guys, welcome back to JD's Kitchen and thank you guys so much for stopping by. Today we are going to make Accra banana. Let's look at all our ingredients. You'll be needing some grated cassava. I used approximately 3 cups of grated cassava, and then I used 3 medium-sized bananas, which was equivalent to about a full cup of blended banana or mashed bananas. I used my fork to mash my bananas, and then I also used 1 teaspoon of salt, and that is all, you guys. That's all the ingredients you need to make your Accra banana. I want to find out, when making Accra banana, have you ever tried blending your cassava? If you have, please drop it in the comment section. How did it turn out? Because every time I'm making Accra banana, I prefer to grate my cassava, though I've never tried blending. I think I've tried blending once and I didn't like it because I used a public machine, and the Accra banana came out like having flavor of spices, so I'm guessing they had blended some form of spices in the machine. It didn't work well. So in the last video I shared with you guys how I make banana puff-puffs, and I told you guys that it's better to blend your bananas, but for this particular one I always just mash my bananas using a fork. And then after doing that, I pour my banana into my cassava, and then I pour in my salt as well, and I start mixing with my hands. While I'm mixing, I ensure to touch to see if there are any lumps of cassava or anything, and then I take it out. If there are no lumps, then we are good to go. I'm going to show you guys how you can mold your round balls for your Accra banana. This is exactly what to do. You just pinch a little. There's no exact measurement or anything. You pinch a little, just according to the normal size. If you grew up in Cameroon, you should know what Accra banana looks like. So you just pinch a little bit, and then roll it on your palm, just like just keep rolling it and allow it to touch the different corners of your palm. That way it forms a round ball. Now when making your Accra banana, fill up your pan. I repeat, fill up your pan. You guys are going to see how this Accra banana is going to shrink. Okay, there's going to be a lot of space in the oil by the time I am done frying. I think I fried this for about 15 minutes. So Accra banana, when you fry it, it has to get dark brown. Okay, that's how I grew up eating Accra banana from those women who sell on the streets, right? I see people put flour in their Accra banana, but the couple of times I've tasted it, it kind of tastes a little different, more towards banana cake. So I always prefer to make mine without adding flour. So I use just the cassava, okay? But you could go ahead and add flour if you prefer. Some people use corn flour, some people use the regular flour that we use to bake. So you could use any. Do you guys see what has happened to our Accra banana? I have not taken out any. So I filled the pan like there was no space to add even half Accra banana. But you can see that at this point after frying. So that's to say that when you're frying your Accra banana, when you just put it in the oil or when you just mold it, it looks big, right? But at the end of the frying, you can tell that the Accra banana it is shrunken, like it shrinks in the process of frying. It's rare to find something that when you're frying, when you put it in oil, it instead shrinks. A lot of things, especially things that we put yeast in and we use flour. But I can understand why this one does not it does not rise, it does not increase in size, it instead shrinks. So we are done with our Accra banana. You can eat this with pap, pepper, tea, whatever it is you prefer to have your Accra banana with. You can eat it even just like this. It is snack on its own. It is yummy. This is how it turned out. Stay till the end because I'm going to open it up for you guys to see what it looks like on the inside. Try out this recipe and please tell us how it turns out for you. If it's your first time here, please do not leave without clicking on that subscribe button so that every time I post a video, you will get notified. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.